Welcome to Kids O'Clock with Soumya. And in today's craft story, we will read along the story of Palma the llama and learn to make a llama. No drama llama. What is it, Palma? Why do you look so astonished?
What is that on your head, Lisa?
Oh, that's just a flower tiara, Palma. Do you like it? Huh?
Do I like it? No, I hate drama.
Oh, but it's just a flower tiara.
It's not nice. I'm going now.
A few miles ahead, Palma came across Doro. Hey, Palma.
What is that on your face, Doro?
These are my sunglasses. What do you think? How do I look?
You look obnoxious.
Yelled Palma. The wise old llama, Oracle, was listening to their conversation. He said, "Calm down, Palma. Everyone's different. Even if you dislike what others like, you can learn to be accepting of other people's choices." Palma realized his mistake and decided to be less judgmental of his friends. He accepted that everyone is different and they can be whoever they want to be. He humbled himself down like never before. And he realized that criticism is what makes life truly dramatic. Acceptance simplifies it all. And from no drama llama, he became no problem llama. Now it's time for our DIY. Let's make a llama today. On a white paper, I drew the shape of llama. So the shape I wanted to make was a bit bigger and my paper was smaller. So I will be making feet of my llama on a different piece of paper. I am cutting the paper with my scissors. So if you find it difficult to use scissors all by yourself, then you can take both of your elders. Then I made feet of my llama on a different piece of paper, and I will be pasting my llama and its feet on a cardboard. I'm applying glue generously on my llama and I will be pasting it on the cardboard. Now what I'm doing is that I'm pasting white cotton balls over my llama. You'll find cotton balls, you might find it in your closet. They are well used for removing makeup, or you might be having some cotton at your home and you can roll them into balls and use for this purpose. Or if you have white pom-poms, then that is best. You can use white pom-poms on the llama cutout. And the reason I'm using these cotton balls is because llama actually looks like a furry white animal who has this kind of skin and texture. So I want my cotton balls to look like it's llama's own skin. I had this pink pom-pom lace at hand and I'm using it to decorate the llama. If you don't have a lace like this, you can just use a yarn. If you have yarn or wool at your house, or maybe a jute string will do, or a crochet lace, anything, any lace, anything that you have at home will work for this purpose. It's just for the decoration purpose. Now I'm using neon papers to make llama's saddle. I want my llama to have a really bright and colorful saddle. So if you don't have these kind of paper at home, you might be having some chart paper or any gift wrapping paper, any paper bag, any gift bag, anything that you have that is in color. Maybe a piece of cloth can work for it too if you have a spare piece of cloth. So I am now just putting glue on my papers and I will be pasting it over the llama. And I wanted to have a little brighter design, so I'll be putting one paper over the other. First I started with blue, then I'm putting the pink one, then I'll put the yellow one, and then I'll come back to the blue one again. Here if you see, I have these eyes, kind of little eyes which I got from Dollar General Store, and I first tried it on my llama but I didn't like it, so I'm not using it. What I'm doing is I'm making an eye on a piece of paper with my pencil and I am cutting it out in the shape, and then I will be pasting it on the llama. And after that I will be using my Sharpie or any sketch pen to give it a nice black color. So this looks like llama's eyelashes. It's like llama's closed his eyes and these are his pretty eyelashes. Here what I'm doing is I'm using my pen to make little tiny circles. I want them to look like pom-poms on my saddle. I was not content with the idea of just layering paper over one another. I wanted to do something more. So I picked up my pen and drew these little circles. Now what I'm doing is that I had felt flowers at my house. So I will be just pasting those flowers over the head of the llama. If you don't have anything like this at your house, that's alright because your llama is still looking very beautiful. Now if you want to use your creation as a wall decor, you can just put a double tape at the back of this llama and put it in your room somewhere, but please ask your parents first. Or if that doesn't work, then you can just hang a string on your llama and then it can be used as a doorknob decor. I'll just show you in the next picture how it looks. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with more fun craft stories for you very soon. Bye bye.